Golden Revolution and National Horticulture Mission. The period between 1991 to 2003 is known as the period of Golden Revolution in India. The Golden Revolution is related to the production of honey and horticulture. It is a part of the important agricultural revolutions of India. Nirbhag Thattaj is considered to be the father of the Golden Revolution. During this period, the investment planned in the horticulture segment became highly productive. India became the world leader in the production of a variety of fruits like coconut, mangoes, cashew nuts, and more. The sector emerged as a sustainable livelihood option and became the second largest producer of vegetable and fruits. Economic conditions of many farmers who were engaged in horticulture improved, thus improving the livelihood for many underprivileged classes. Horticulture development has not been a priority in India until the early 1990s. The performance of the horticulture sector in India surged drastically from 1991 to 2003. In the period 1948 to 1980, the main focus of India was on the production of cereals, hence researchers described it as a golden revolution, supposedly to distinguish it from the green revolution. The factors that affected the growth of horticulture sector during Golden Revolution in India are as mentioned. The shift in cropping pattern in favor of crops with higher returns, increase in the area of harvesting, improvement in the techniques of cultivation. The horticulture sector of the country faced several hurdles such as lack of cold storage facilities, low productivity, etc. But the shifting food pattern as a consequence of increasing income and health awareness of the population has transformed the horticulture of India as a vibrant commercial venture. The horticulture exports of India marked an increase from 6308.53 crores in 2004-2005 to 2862,861 crores in 2014 to 2015. The significant growth in the sector is undoubtedly attributed to the organized and planned policies of horticulture sector under the Golden Revolution. The Government of India launched the National Horticulture Mission in the year 2005 to 2006 with a mandate to increase the production of horticulture sector. The government decided to provide all necessary funds to the National Horticulture Mission to usher in the Golden Revolution in horticulture sector in the country. The states had to take advantage of the National Horticulture Mission and come up with good and relevant schemes for the betterment of the horticulture sector. The total area under vegetables and fruits were 11.72 million hectares and the total production stood at 150.73 million tons in the year 2005. As a result of huge spurt in the sector due to the National Horticulture Mission, the production of horticulture tremendously increased to 281 million tons from an area of 23.2 million hectares in 2015-2016. The remarkable increase in the horticulture productivity made India the second largest producer of vegetables and fruits in the world after China. Team Krishi Sanjeevani.